Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
फैंस वो लोग गाड़ी में नॉक करके अरे अरे आप तन्नू है ना मैंने बोला हाँ हेलो स्वीटी इज sweety19@gmail.com पार्टी जब जाते हैं बॉम्बे में पाप थोड़ा बिगड़ भी जाते हैं साथ साथ तो थोड़ा सा अल्कोहल भी पी लिया था बट when you're having for the first time I think your friends and everyone you say अरे और pure then you realize that you're puking so that was a horrible experience my first heartbreak ये तो अभी
We have a quick segment with you, which is like your first audition. We want to recall all your first. So tell me your first audition.
My first audition was for an ad. Fiamma Devils. Can I name it? Yeah. Fiamma Devils. Yeah.
Okay. Your first rejection.
My first rejection was also for an ad, which I had auditioned. I forgot the name of the brand. So yeah, I was rejected for that. Yeah.
Your first acting gig.
My first acting gig was Kasturi.
Okay.
I played Tannu. In that also I played Tannu.
Your first paycheck or kitne ka tha wo?
My first paycheck was of an ad I did in Dehradun for Specs. वो 1500 का था, 1500 rupees. Yeah.
First fan encounter.
My first fan encounter was when I was doing Kasturi. I think क्योंकि बालाजी के shows ऐसे होते हैं कि एकदम popular कर देते हैं आपको and it becomes such a huge hit which is great. So जब मैंने कस्तूरी किया था तब कुछ फैंस जब मैं वापस आ रही थी सेट से तो मुझे कुछ एनकाउंटर हुए थे कुछ फैंस वो लोग गाड़ी में नॉक करके अरे अरे आप तन्नू है ना मैंने बोला हाँ हेलो so yeah it was a great feeling then I was very young so I had a great time
First celebrity crush.
My first celebrity crush would be Hrithik Roshan.
Your first email ID. You remember in school days we used to make very funky email ID.
Yeah. Can I tell you? Oh my god, it's too funky. Facebook has the same email ID. Yes, still. It's Tweety is sweety19@gmail.com.
Okay, so now you have revealed your mail ID. I am sure you're gonna get mails on that.
But it's not open. It doesn't work. It doesn't work anymore. So.
Okay. Your first job.
My first job was of the ad I did for the Specs. That was my first job. Yeah.
First phone. सबसे पहला phone कौन सा था आपके पास?
I think Nokia का था. वो जो छोटा वाला आता था ना Nokia का. Nokia 100. हाँ. That was my first phone.
Your first starstruck.
My first starstruck. I think ऋतिक रोशन के उनसे ही मैं starstruck हुई थी जब मैं आई थी बॉम्बे हम दोस्त लोग गए थे मैरियट में खाना खाने के लिए and suddenly we saw Hrithik Roshan right in front of us and I was like oh my god did I actually see him because I had a huge crush on him and मैं वो सामने देख रही हूँ literally अपनी आँखों से so I think it was a dream come true for me.
First person you followed on Instagram.
अब ये कैसे याद रहेगा? I think my
account
friend, one of my friends. I don't remember honestly.
Okay, your first heartbreak.
My first heartbreak. ये तो अभी. My first heartbreak would be, I think, Nachpali and Big Boss. That would be my heartbreak. Disaster.
Yeah, we all saw that. Your first best friend.
My first best friend, Kavita Gupta, from my school.
Okay. Yeah. Are you guys still in touch?
Yeah, we are still in touch. She's become a doctor now. That's what she always wanted to, and now she's a doctor. Yeah.
Wow. The first fashion splurge, the most expensive fashionable stuff you bought from your own money.
I think a watch. I bought a watch of Tag Heuer. And that costed me a bomb. So yeah.
And your makeup splurge? First makeup splurge, सबसे महंगा makeup?
I think makeup का luckily ज़्यादा I haven't spent that much on makeup. Luckily, I've got because I have been promoting the brands.
Yeah.
So I got lucky in that. But I did spend on like because you have to be very particular with your moisturizer, with your
Yeah.
compact. So MAC is the only expensive thing I've bought. Yeah, MAC का
Yeah.
सब कुछ सारे product I've bought, so it's the most expensive, I would say.
Yeah, I can totally understand. And first dish you cooked, and how was it?
The first dish I cooked was dal and chawal, and that was delicious, amazingly delicious. Yeah, अपनी
Your
तारीफ कर
first,
दो.
तो हाँ हमने खाया तो है नहीं. First solo trip.
My first solo trip was Australia. So
And
yeah,
how was the experience?
amazing,
Going solo.
amazing experience. It was great. But luckily, my mom didn't want me to go alone somewhere. So luckily I had a friend over there. तो मम्मी को था कि हाँ ठीक है कोई तो है जो जिसके वहाँ क्योंकि इतनी दूर जाना you don't have I mean if you want to come back what will you do what is going to happen so she wanted someone to be honest so that's why I chose Australia because I knew I had a friend over there so but I made a trip alone I had a great time.
And first foreign trip?
That was foreign only ना Australia.
No, that was a solo trip. मतलब first
हाँ.
time जब आप बाहर गए
अच्छा
थे,
बाहर
तो
गया
that-
first foreign trip like that oh Bali no Bangkok was my but that was for work. हाँ.
First date.
First date. First date was when I was in 9th standard with my classmate.
And first clubbing experience, first time when you go to club. How was
Yeah,
it?
my first was so the idea of freedom and just being yourself that came here once I saw the party people around and once I went to the party in Bombay. So I think Bombay gives you that freedom to be yourself and just enjoy your life. So yeah, it was a great experience.
Alcohol experience, पहला. सबसे पहले क्या
Alcohol
try किया था?
experience was in Bombay only. जैसे कि कहा मैंने पार्टी जब जाते हैं बॉम्बे में पाप थोड़ा बिगड़ भी जाते हैं साथ साथ तो थोड़ा सा अल्कोहल भी पी लिया था बट या आई मीन या फर्स्ट टाइम हियर ओनली आई थिंक ईयर would be I don't remember the year but in Bombay.
So how was the experience? Was it okay or like?
No, I didn't like it. I
Yeah.
didn't like alcohol. But
And
after that, after a couple of years, I enjoyed. I mean, a little wine or ऐसा थोड़ा बहुत is fun. But once you're having for the first time, I think your friends and everyone, you say, "Arey, और pio," or then you realize, oh shit, you're puking. So that was a horrible experience. Yeah.
First adventure activity. कोई adventure activity किया
I have. मतलब मैंने course किया है Nehru Institute of Mountaineering से. So luckily because my mom is a mountaineer,
Yeah, we
so
know.
she
Yeah.
said that you should do this course. So that's how I went for this course. और वहाँ पे मैंने trekking किया है, rock climbing किया है, river rafting किया है. I've done all kind of stuff.
Okay. First case.
First case was also with my first boyfriend in class 9. Yeah, that was the first case.
Wow. Lastly, one thing or one experience which you want to have for the first time and is most awaited by you.
I'm sorry, I didn't get your question.
One thing or one experience which you want to have for the first time and is most awaited by you.
One experience I want to have for the first time. I think I want to do skydiving. That's something in my bucket list. I want to do it. I want to feel the. I want to have that feeling when you are up in the air and just flying, and seeing the world down. So it's a different feel altogether. I'm sure. So I still have that heartbeat right now. I have butterflies in my stomach. कैसे लोग कर लेते हैं? So that's what I want to try that.
Thank you for doing this first, and I hope you recalled all your first.
Yes, I did
आपको हमने-
recall. Thank you. मजा आया.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.